Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So in today's video, we're going to be going over my Dollar General haul for the week. We've got a lot of good food deals. We've got sales going on. We've got glitches. We've got new coupons. We have all kinds of good stuff to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so you want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also to price check because prices do vary from store to store. Alright guys, so we're going to go over my Dollar General haul for this week. Now, some of these items you don't need coupons for, some you need paper coupons, and we did some digital deals as well. So, we know we're all gearing up for Memorial Day. That is going to be, I think, on Monday. So, we have a couple of sales going on. We have a sale on the Dr. Pepper Canada Dry A&W or 7-Up 2 liters. These are on sale this week. 3 for $3. So I picked up 3 of the Diet Dr. Peppers. That makes those $1 each. We also have another deal that you can do with no coupons. The Betty Crocker Suddenly Salads. These are on sale. Buy one, get one for free. These are $2 each. So you'll pay $2 for 2 boxes, which makes those also $1 each. So great deal. And these don't expire until next year. Let's see, January of 2022. So a pretty good little shelf life on those as well. We also have a really good deal on the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can mix and match. These are also $2 each, but they are buy one get one free this week. So that makes those just $1 each. So great deal. Now, if you have insert coupons from this past Sunday, we did receive some Sweet Baby Ray's coupons. So right here we have 1 off 3, any Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. We have a 1 off 2 right here, but it is for dipping sauce. So I did try it with this 1 off 2 coupon to see if it would just go through on the dipping sauce. So if you have a really cool cashier who looks at barbecue sauce as dipping sauce, which I do, but you know, whatever, they may push that coupon through for you, but it does beep. Now, if you don't have a cool cashier, this is still can be a really good deal. So you want to pick up 4 of the barbecue sauces. Like I said, buy one, get one free. So that is going to put you at $4. Use the 1 off 3 insert coupon, and that will leave you paying 3 for 4 bottles of the barbecue sauce. And everybody needs some barbecue sauce. Like I said, we're coming up on Memorial Day. So that's a really good deal. And you can mix and match. Same thing with the Suddenly salad. You can mix and match and get whichever kind that you like. Now, next up, we also received a 1 off 1 Snuggle coupon in the Save insert on Sunday. So if you want to pick up the 40 count Snuggle dryer sheets, these are just $2. So after that coupon, that will also make that just $1. So far so good. We're at about $1 for each item. We also have the Sargento balance breaks. Now, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for these. These are $1.25. There's different ones that you can pick up that will work with that digital coupon. So that makes these just 25 cents. Now, depending on which area you are in, I used a 1 off 1 paper coupon, but I think that was the last one that I had, apparently. So, these came out in the April 25th inserts, either the Smart Source or the Save. So you'll either have 75% off 1 Sargento balance breaks insert coupon or a 1 off 1. Just depends on your area. So you'll either pay 25 cents or 50 cents for these little Sargento little snacks. So And then, like I said, we do have that 1-off-1 digital coupon as well. That would also make it just 25 cents. So all of these are great items to throw in with your 5 off 25 deals for Saturday. Now to keep on going, we have the Ocean Spray Cran Tropical Glitch. These bottles are a little bit bigger than I thought they were. I guess you could, it depends on, listen, I have been having a big dilemma past couple of weeks on what exactly is a glitch and what is not. Okay, if you read the coupons and you follow it to a T, this is not a glitch. Okay, it says on any Ocean Spray juice, but it does not attach to any other flavor other than the Cran Tropical. So is it a glitch? Is it not? It's all up to how you guys want to view it. So whatever. Same thing with the Airwick product coupons that we get. Those always attach, usually they attach to the Airwick warmers, which are $1.65. That coupon makes them just 15 cents. So is that a glitch or is it not? I have no clue. But anyways, this is working on the Cran Tropical. These are larger bottles than I thought that they were. This is 25 fluid ounces. These are $1. We have a 25-cent off 1 digital coupon, making these just 75 cents, which is a pretty good deal. Great little filler item anyways. Then we also have another possible glitch, possibly not. Depends on how you guys want to look at it, okay? So this coupon says 1-off-1 any Folgers product. This is a Folgers product. It's 7 count. It is instant coffee singles, 7 count packets. Okay, these are $1. We have $1 off any Folgers product. Digital coupon, making these completely free. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. If you have any thoughts on it. If you don't, hey, more power to you. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know what to think about this. Because you see some people saying that they are glitches. And you know, I'm like, is it really? Because I don't like to kind of clickbait you guys saying, oh, this is a glitch. You know, is it or is it not? I'm kind of confused at this point. So anyways, we'll move on. We have Temptation Meaty Bites with Chicken. Now, I was looking through the ad here. We have a sale on the regular sized Temptations bags of treats. They are $3.25 each. They're on sale 2 for $6. I'm sorry, 2 for $6. And these are larger bags. This is a pretty good deal. But I was thinking that these would be included. These are $3.50 each. We have a paper coupon for buy one get one free. And like I said, I thought that these applied to the ones that were on sale. They did not. So if you want to pick up the Temptation Meaty Bites, these are 1.5 ounce bags. Use this coupon. That'll leave you paying $3.50 for 2 bags. Now that's not, I don't know. It just depends on, you know, do your animals love this product and you have to buy it all the time or not. But anyways, buy one get one free, another deal. We're on the buy one get one free train this week. Alright, next up, we have Centrum and Flintstone vitamins. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you guys can do this deal. It all depends on what digital coupons you have clipped to your account. So I'm going to go through, basically, I would say a lot of us have already clipped these coupons to our account. We have a $1.25 off 1 Centrum Vitamins coupon that works on several of the vitamins that are priced at $5. I love these Centrum Energy vitamins, so that's what I picked up. And we also have a $1 coupon that's working on the Flintstone vitamins. These both are $5 each. We also have a save $2 when you spend $10 on Bayer aspirin products. These are both Bayer aspirin products here. So if you have the 125 off 1 coupon and the 1 off 1 coupon, that'll leave you paying $5.75 for 2. Not a bad deal. I mean, that's, you know, almost half off. So that's still a good deal. But if you did not clip the 125 off 1, or maybe you've already used it, or the 1-off-1 Flintstones vitamin coupon if you didn't clip those, or if you've already used those and you still have the spend 10 save 2 on Bayer aspirin products. We have right now on inboxdollars.com a 3-off-1 for the Flintstone vitamins. Now it looks like this. You can print off 2 coupons per device. I love using Inbox Dollars. You can also go to coupons.com and print them off through there. But if you go through and you sign up on inboxdollars.com, I have a referral link in the description box. They will actually pay you 1 to 2 cents for printing off coupons. It kind of varies for actually printing off the coupon, and then they'll give you an extra 10 cents back when you use the coupon in the store. Now, it may take a couple of days for that 10 cents to apply, but I've never had any issues with it, with them not applying that 10 cents. So, if you have that save 2 when you spend 10 on Bayer aspirin products, and you print off 2 of the 3-off-1 Flintstone vitamins coupons from Inbox Dollars or coupons.com, whichever one you want to use, that will leave you paying, if you pick up 2 of the Flintstone vitamins, that'll leave you paying $2 for 2 or $1 each. So that's a really great deal. Now, I did some little testing out for you guys because I was like, I have both of those coupons clipped to my account. Maybe, since it is kind of on the newer system, I wanted to see if I handed them over the insert coupon first, if maybe it would apply the save 2 when you spend 10 plus the 125 off 1. It did not work. So don't try that. It won't work. Which is fine because now I have used both of the I still have the 1-off-1 Flintstones on my account, but I do have that save 2 when you spend 10. I got rid of that 125 off 1. So it just depends on how you guys want to work it. Like I said, if you want to go all digital, you'll pay $5.75 for 2 things of vitamins, which is still not a bad deal. It's almost half off. So still a great deal there. And I think that is pretty much it. Now, I'm not going to go over my receipt because I bought a lot of other stuff with this transaction, just stuff that we needed for the house. But hopefully you guys got the pretty much gist of it. $3.50 for 2 of the cat treats, $1 each on the Suddenly salads. Depending on what you want to do on the vitamin deal, you'll pay $1 each or $5.75 for both of them. 75 cents on the Ocean Spray, 25 cents or 50 cents on the Sargento Balance Breaks, $1 on the Snuggle, $1 each on the Pops, free Folgers, and either $1 each on the Sweet Baby Ray's or $3 for 4. So hopefully that kind of gives you guys a pretty good rundown and gives you guys some more ideas that you can throw in with your 5 off 25 deals. Alright guys, so we're going to go over some more deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. First up, we have the instant savings on the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex. Now they did change this. This is why I wanted to mention it. You now have to spend $20 and you'll instantly save $4 at the register. We also have instant savings on Dove, Axe, and Tresemme products. So when you spend $8, you'll instantly save $2 at the register. Next up, we received this new digital coupon for save $3 on 2 of these Safeguard liquid hand soaps. Those are $3 each, so it's basically a buy one get one free coupon. So you'll pay $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. Next up, we received $1.50 off 1 for the Kibbles and Bits dry dog food. Now, if you already have the 1-off 1 clipped, you can pick up 2 of the 3-pound bags of Kibbles and Bits dry dog food. That's going to put you at $9.50. After both of those coupons are applied, though, that'll leave you paying $7 for 2, making those just $3.50 each. Next up, we received 2 off 1 for the Garnier hair color products. So those are priced at $8, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $6. Next up, we have 75 cents off 1 of the Blue Plate mayos. Now, these are priced at $3, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2.25. Now, if you're looking for a good deal on condiments, keep in mind that Dollar General has a Kraft instant savings. You'll spend $8 on Kraft condiments and you'll instantly save $2 at the register. And I'm pretty sure that deal is ongoing. It never ends. So if you need some mayonnaise for maybe some of that suddenly salad that we picked up, buy one, get one for free. If you want to pick up 4 jars of the Kraft mayo for $10, that'll leave you paying $8 out of pocket for 4 jars, making those just $2 each. Now keep in mind, if you want to do this instant savings deal, you can mix and match, and there are a ton of condiments that are included. We have the Heinz 57 soft, Kraft salad dressings, sweet relish, A1 steak sauce. We have some barbecue sauce that is $1. We have the Kraft barbecue sauce as well. We have ketchup, Miracle Whip, and mayonnaise. So you can definitely mix and match and come up with your own deal. So next up, we have a 3-day sale that will be starting on Thursday the 27th and run through Saturday the 29th. So for this first deal, we have Cheetos that will be on sale 2 for $4, so that makes those $2 a bag. Next up, we have the Ritz Cheese Crispers. They will be on sale 3 for $3, making those just $1 each. But we also have this 1 off 2 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying $2 for 3 after that coupon is applied. Next up, select Ziploc storage bags will be on sale 2 for $6. We do have a digital coupon. I'm not exactly sure if it will work with the specific ones that are included in this sale, but if it does work, that will leave you paying $5 for 2 boxes of the Ziploc bags, making those just $2.50 each. Next up, we have an instant savings of $1 off of the memorial wreaths. Now, those are normally priced $6 all the way up to $10. So after that instant savings is applied, that will leave you paying $5 to $9. Also, during this 3-day sale, yellow and white dot apparel will be 50% off. Alright guys, so before I go, I want to remind everybody to go and check out inboxdollars.com. Now, there is a $5 sign-up bonus. All you have to do is click on the referral link down in the description box. You can either sign up through the website or you can download the app and sign up there. Now, like I said, there are multiple ways that you can earn money through this website and the app. You can earn money by printing off coupons and actually using them in the store. You can earn money by purchasing the products and then submitting your receipt. You can earn money by watching videos, taking surveys, all kinds of good stuff. And they're even implementing it now to where you can scan products in the store. You don't even have to purchase them, and you'll earn money just by scanning them. And then you can cash out when you hit $30, and they do have a big variety of gift cards that you can choose from. So go check it out. Like I said, my link is down in the description box below. And just in case you missed it, I did upload a video going over all of the new Dollar General digital coupons on Sunday. I'm going to link that in a pinned comment down below, so go and check it out if you haven't already. Now, just in case you missed it, I'm going to also link my video from last week where I went over a lot of the good deals, sales, and glitches. A lot of those coupon matchups and a lot of those sales are still good for this week. A lot of them even last up until June. So if you missed that video, if you need some more ideas, if you're looking for some more deals, go and check out that video as well. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for coming by and hanging out with me for a little bit today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers. It was my goal to hit 10,000 in the month of May. Now we've still got a few days left. So if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. And please give the video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. As always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. And I do want to say thank you to all of you guys who support my channel. Doing all of those little things really does make a huge difference in these videos. It tells YouTube to push the video out there a little bit further and invite some more crazy couponers into our family here. So thank you all so much for all of your support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.